guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to look at the unboxing video of Mcaffeine products. I'm not much of a coffee lover, but I came across this product online on Instagram and I wanted to give it a try. And I should say that this is not a sponsored video. I'm doing this out of my own interest for our YouTube channel. Okay, so let's get started. Wow, and I should say this is the Raksha Bandhan gift box. So it has come in a very amazing bubble wrap package. Later. Oh, wow. This package arrived around a week after I ordered it, and it's been 2 weeks since this package came, but only today we plan to open it. This is the box. It's the front portion of the box. It has a cute clip here. You have some instructions here, what it's made by and what all this consists. You can go to their website and check this out. I will mention that in the description box. So, oh, this has a very different mechanism. Has a very different opening mechanism. This is the first time I'm seeing this too. Oh, wow! Can you see, guys? Okay, so we have 4 products here. I think only out of, actually 2 products and 2 wooden things. I think this is scoop, which we use. Take the body scrub out. And this is the body scrub. I think this is made out of glass. It's quite heavy. Next we have the coffee body polishing oil, and then the reason why I chose this gift box, even though there was another offer having a beautiful pouch with it, was this thing. It's used for massaging your face. No, I'm not doing it right now because I have makeup on. Okay, so this is a massager. This is very cute. Okay, so these are the 4 things that came along with this box, and we have something here. Take a selfie with Mcaffeine products, put it on Instagram, tag Mcaffeine official, use hashtag Mcaffeine. We will surprise you with a caffeine gift. Then what am I going to get for this YouTube video? It has all the products of Mcaffeine. You have this along with this box, where you can see all of their products. So I will also post a picture using the hashtag. I'm doing a YouTube video, so I expect a gift to these. Wow, coffee smell. What is that? I smell coffee even without opening this. I think this kit consists of body polishing things here. Yes, and I forgot to mention how much this box costed. It's around, I have no idea, I'll post that in the description as well. So this is the body scrub, coffee body scrub. This is the body scrub. This is the coffee body polishing oil, and it's for all skin types. I'm not going to be applying anything to my face and showing it to you now. No, I'm not doing that. But this is just an unboxing video of what you get along with this box. I smell coffee. It's just raw powder. What you can do is, I think you can mix this with water. Yes, this is used for your whole body. And this one, this doesn't smell like coffee, but I like, it's very heavy. So after bathing with this, put this on for a shiny look. and no instructions for this one. Can you sit on it, please? So that's all with the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this product, I'm adding the link in my description box below. You can purchase it from their website. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel and keep supporting me.